Oh, so bright. Oh, selamat pagi dari Federal Masjid. I don't know how to say federal in Malay, but good morning from the Federal Masjid. This is the big mosque near my apartment building. It's having an open house today. We're gonna go in and learn about Islam and see this beautiful building from the inside. So, jom pergi. The open house was an all-day event and it was popular. The minute we walked in, a tour guide was there to help us. The first stop on the tour was the hijab area, so my mom and Ann could cover up. They were very nice and helped them both with the hijab. Then we were off on a private tour. First, we learned about the architecture of the building. Next, we learned about performing the ablution before prayer.
Face, because we want to remove the sins.
Then it was time to enter the masjid proper. The masjid is actually very new. It was opened in late 2000 and can accommodate 17,000 worshippers at one time. Of course there was a free meal. Di Malaysia kami suka makan mana-mana. We were the only Westerners I could see there, and actually had someone following us, taking photos of us for a good portion of the tour. We're doing the tour here. I think Anne and Sandy are famous, well, maybe only non-Muslims here, but it's very fascinating, very interesting. Everyone's coming up, they're taking videos of them, everyone's come to shake their hands, very fun. Next, a different volunteer explained the lineage of Muhammad and the other prophets. He sat with us and answered all the questions we had about the masjid and Islam in general. You know, people, especially from America, sometimes ask me what it's like to live in a Muslim country. And I always tell them it's just sama. Seperti United States. It's like the United States, same thing. Difference is in the United States, we have church bells. Here we've got the call to prayer, you know? United States, we've got churches in every neighborhood. Here we have masjid, mosque in every corner. So, generally speaking, living in a Muslim country doesn't affect my daily life as a non-Muslim at all. And I mean that in a wonderful way. One exception would be, honestly, the only time I ever notice is that beer is more expensive. Most restaurants don't sell pork. Other than that, same. People are the same wherever you go. What are your impressions of the Federal Masjid, Mother? If I can ask you.
It's just lovely. Architecturally, it's a beauty. And it was just completed less than 20 years ago. It's gorgeous.
I would definitely say if you come to Kuala Lumpur, come to Malaysia, come to the Federal Territory Mosque. All right, they do tours anytime there's not prayer.